Standard 8 Subject History. Lesson number 1 Sources of History Part 2. Children, in last part we have seen the material sources of history, and this part we are going to see written sources and oral sources of history. The first one in written sources is newspapers and periodicals. Newspapers provide us detailed information of an event, views of eminent people, editorials, etc. In pre-independence period, newspapers like Jnanoday, Jnan Prakash, Amrit Bazar Patrika, Deenbandhu and Kesari awakened the minds of people. Newspapers acted as the source of social reformation during British rule. The Nibandhamala by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar and Shatapatre written by Gopal Hari Deshmukh in the newspaper Prabhakar comments on various social and cultural issues. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar started the newspapers like Muknayak, Bahishkrut Bharat, Janta and Prabuddha Bharat and wrote for reformation of common people. Our next resource is maps and drawings. A particular location can be traced through the maps. Britishers created maps of India, provinces of India, cities of India, etc. Drawings are the important part of architecture of a particular building. We can understand the development process of a particular area through drawing. Inspirational songs. During the freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed. Through these, we get information about the conditions of pre-independence period and spirit behind freedom struggle could be understood. Povada is a source for information about historical event or a person. Povadas were used to create motivation and spirit among the people. For example, Povadas on freedom struggle of 1857. Our next source is video, audio and audio-visual sources. Photographs, recordings and films can be used as a source of history due to development of technology. In that, first one is photographs. Photograph is a visual source of modern Indian history. The photographs of various people, events, objects, structures were clicked, which helps us to study history in better way. There are paintings from medieval period which depicts physical features of a person. The authenticity of these paintings is doubtful. Comparatively, photographs are more reliable. In the 20th century, there was a great development in the technique of filmmaking. Dadasaheb Phalke in 1913 laid the foundation of Indian film industry. Audio-visual recording of Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement are also available. While referring the written sources, the ideology and opinion of the author needs to be examined. We should preserve these historical sources through which rich tradition of history can be passed on to next generation. Thank you.